Uh-huh. What does it look like?
It's like yellow.
Yellow in the oil. Ooh. That looks neat. All right, let's pick another color.
We just ran out.
Did we run out of blue?
Yeah.
Oops. It's all right.
We could get some more from the store.
Yeah, we can get some more. That's not a problem. All right, right.
Oh, now it's some red.
Did we get some in there?
Yeah.
All right, one more cup.
There's more rain coming out.
Yeah, a little bit, right? All right, Parker, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's dump that in. See what happens.
Whoa. Looks cool.
Yeah, it does. Look what's happening in there. All the different colors are mixing together.
Dropping down. And you don't see the rain on top up here.
You don't. Let's see what it looks like on top. Oh, just kind of looks like a lot of colors. This is neat.
Oh, the big ones go in. And then they pop into little tiny pieces like this.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, they just go in there.
So oil and water stay separate. So do you think the food coloring is more like water or more like oil?
Oh, let's do more blue.
I think the food coloring is more like water because it mixes into the water, but
Oh, we
not
just
the
run
oil.
out. We just run out some of the green.
We ran out of green.
Yeah, we just got some left.
Okay, that's all right.
Oh, I think we ran out. We just try one more time.
Okay,
Awesome.
so what happens? Oh, it went through the oil and into the water. Did you see that?
Oh, that's